with me and let's look at Meadow Street in Hanoi's Old Quarter. The most famous trait of the Old Quarter are its areas dedicated to one specific trade. Thiec Street is a street of tinsmiths. It is the place where tinsmiths make different items such as mirror frames, oil lamps, candle stands, incense burners, teapots, tea trays, and other products from sheet metal.
Those electrical wires look like a spider web.
Anything made of metal can be found in this area.
The sidewalk becomes a workshop.
Eventually, the streets became named after the trade that was unique to each one. Most streets acquired names starting with Han, which means wares. For example, Han Dong Street means Copper Wares Street. The street echoes with the clanging of the hammers against the sheet metal. Over the years, the craft of making tin products on Thiec Street has remained virtually unchanged. Look at this guy carrying a long pole on his motorbike. We have to walk up the street because the sidewalk is fully covered with workshops, merchandise, and motorbikes.
These historic buildings look very old. Hanoi's Old Quarter has a history that spans 2,000 years.
Let's get you some.
Want to buy some flowers?
I love these pop-up cards. I sent one to each of my grandparents. Even though I've been in Vietnam for a while now, I can't get used to seeing kids on motorbikes without a helmet.
When we went into this morning?
Please subscribe to my channel.